Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel AllAroundSarah. Today is a beautiful day, guys. This is unboxing of my brand new play toy. And I need a new one because what happened with my old one is I broke it
in the yard.
and so anyway,
Okay.
I don't know if you know what it is, but this is it. Unboxing of my new play toy. And I'm doing it myself. Doing it myself. What do you think this is?
Big bucks.
What do you think this is, guys? And so you open the box. Open the box. And the first thing you get is what is this? Oh, let me get it put together. So this is the back of the lawnmower. I think.
It's a bag.
Wait.
Can you do that later?
Okay. Oh, it's. Oh. Okay, I'll figure that out.
I'll do it.
No, I gotta do it.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Ta-da! What do you think it is? It's my new toy, guys. So it comes. Okay, so it comes with
Dark.
manual, and I don't read manual. Those are manual, I don't read manual. And then it comes with 4-cycle engine oil.
It does come with oil. We use that oil instead.
So we gotta use this kind, 4-cycle engine oil. SAE-30. Okay? Now,
Ooh.
Nicely done. It's red.
This is how you pull it out in the box. Pull it out in the box. And then, what does it say? Fill oil here. What's that? Fill oil here. This way. So
Gas,
right
oil.
here. It says oil right here.
Right. Just checking on you.
Okay. So let's
You threw away the oil.
let's fill it with oil. Oil this way.
You
There's
gotta take.
There's a point there. Take the whole thing in. Put the whole thing in. I mean, it's got a lot of. It's got a big tank.
That's good.
It's got a big mouth. There. So, oh, I thought I was getting the Honda, honey.
The 160 was the Honda. This is the mulcher.
But anyway, my last lawnmower was Bridge and Stratton,
Yeah, it's good.
and I remember that time ago, my father used to tell me Bridge and Stratton is a good machine, an engine. So
Yep.
yep. So anyway, wait. Alright. So wait. So what else I gotta do in here? Since I don't read. Ooh, it came off. I don't read.
Where's that one? Yeah. And just snap on.
What?
Yeah. Yep. Snap right in there.
No.
Yeah. Underneath there. See? No. Right in there. Right in there. See in there?
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. Go all the way around. Go all the way around. Yeah. You want to videotape this part?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
This is just like a puzzle.
What is it?
It's a puzzle.
Puzzle.
Our grass is up to our neck. Oh, this is harder than I thought. Harder than I thought.
But once it's on, it's on.
It's popping. One more piece.
There you go. Upside down. There you go. That's it.
Okay, now.
I wouldn't put that on yet because you gotta fix the handles. Okay? You gotta do the handles first. Handles first. Yeah.
What do I have to do here?
The other one looks like it's ready. No, it's ready, but this one doesn't look like it's in there right.
Oh. Okay, but see, I don't read that.
No, this one looks like it might be in the right.
I don't read manual, so
Okay, you gotta just pick the hole.
I think I just. Okay, you're right.
Pick the hole. And pull it down. Yeah, because it had to fit in the box, see?
Oh. Where's that red one? This one? Oh.
Well, this has a little notch, see? So make sure you put it on the right side. This goes on this side, I think.
Where's the red gonna go?
Yeah, you can have.
The red goes inside?
See this right here? You gotta find where it's square. See the square? You gotta find, is there a square in there? Yeah, I think it goes in this side. Yeah, yeah, push in there. Now lift this up a little bit to let it in. Lift it up to let it in. There you go. Got the whole one? I put it in the other one. Put it in this one. Can you get that one or not?
No.
Where's the one farthest away? Okay, okay, one farthest away there.
That's what I wanted to do.
Okay. Are you in there? Yeah, there you go. Okay. When you tighten it, it'll pull it in. You don't read directions?
I don't want to read directions.
You don't really need them for this, but maybe you do.
I do?
You see? That's not done.
Yeah, well, I gotta do this too.
There we go. Okay. See? You notice something wrong with this?
Oh.
You need some help, right? So what do you do?
There's no button there.
Is there a gas pump? There's little notches for these things here.
Am I in? Oh, yeah. Is that it?
Doesn't look like it. You're not in any notch. It's got to go into a notch.
Yeah, it is the notch.
Oh, no, it isn't. That's, oh, okay. Something doesn't look... Okay, that's good. That's good. Now, is there a button you press to give it some gas?
Hold on.
On the side there?
No, this is very low. This is very low, I think.
Okay, want to raise it?
I'm gonna. How about? Wait.
Yeah, try it really hard.
Definitely not the same as my old one.
Right. It's a
My
different...
old one was good.
They're all a little different. I think it raises both sides.
Okay.
That's the most... The back? Want to raise it back? That looks good. But push the button?
Oh, there's a button.
6 times?
3 times.
It says 3?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
There's 3. Go to 4. Gas tight?
Okay, okay, good.
This one?
Yeah, and you gotta, and don't, wait a minute, you gotta do one of these, I think. Hold that down and pull it, I believe.
Oh, it's broken.
No,
It's broken.
not broken, hon.
I can't
pull,
pull it.
pull.
It's very hard.
All right, maybe you read the directions.
No.
Is the blade have anything on it? The blade underneath? I'll put it down. You see. Okay. Anything on the blade? Holding it? Is there anything on the blade holding it at all?
What the heck is that?
Is there like a thing you got to wrench off?
No.
What?
There's
What
thing
is-
that's sticking out.
What's sticking out?
Something is sticking out.
Did you read the directions?
No.
Okay. 'Cause
There's something sticking out.
yeah, something sticking out, huh? What could it be?
It's a pipe.
Yeah,
It's a pipe, honey.
pipe.
How do you pull the pipe out?
Did you read the directions?
No.
Okay, Mel, maybe you should read the directions.
There's a pipe, Han. You gotta get.
Is the pipe in the way?
Yes. Wait. That's why this thing.
Doesn't-
That's why this thing is too much.
Mhm.
Because
Okay.
we're gonna pull this out. It needs to be pulled out. How do you pull them out?
What pulls out?
This. Look in there. There's a pipe in there.
Is it pipe? I don't see a pipe.
Against the. There's two pipes against the
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, you know what? Here, look. I think I figured it out.
Okay.
This thing.
Oh,
right
you
here.
unscrew that. Okay.
Maybe you should have done that before. Take the bag off, maybe. Take the bag off. Do you see the pipe? Please? Open the trap door. Okay. So maybe it keeps it from spinning or something? No. Because it probably might shorten the... But all you gotta do... Okay. So unscrew it and pull it? Yes. Okay. You unscrew it?
It's on there good.
How does it look? Lift it, Lucy. Right there, righty.
This way. No, other way.
That way.
Yeah.
We need a strong.
Left. Yeah. You need pliers?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go get pliers. Okay, what just happened?
Okay, so
Bring us up to date.
we loosen this up. This both
Okay.
not buttons there, and we pulled it up, and now it's longer.
Okay. Is that a good thing?
Now it's longer.
Okay.
So now let me see
So
if I
it's
can
easier
start
to
it.
grab, huh? Because it's longer.
Yeah. So let's see if I can start
Oh,
it.
you already did 3.
2, 3. Let me do it again.
Still broken? Is there anything holding? It should be easy. Is there anything holding the blade down there?
I'm gonna.
Yeah, that should be in there anyways. That should be in there.
So I think I go like this.
No directions. That's with no directions. Low.
Very low.
Very low. Yeah. And also, you probably want the blade to turn. That's this one. Okay. Oh no, that's the blade. This is the drive control.
That was one time, hon.
Yeah, that was good. That's good.
This is number one. Number one is low, the high.
I don't know. I don't think so. I think it's the other way. Try both. Try both.
Huh?
You got to get in the notch. Try it all the way back. Yeah, that's high. Okay. There you go. Now raise up the back to it. I won't take it. Sure more.
I think that's good.
Okay.
So
And don't forget the self-propel. All right. This is to start it, but this is all propel. Yeah.
yes.
There she goes. There she goes. Ruining another lawnmower. Look at that smile. Look at that smile. Slow.
Well, okay, guys. So that's how you unbox a lawnmower that you don't read a manual. see how long we haven't cut our grass because we waited for our lawnmower to be fixed and it wasn't fixed. So we finally just bought a new one. But look at how high the grass is. It's really, really high. So we needed to cut it. Otherwise, it would have the grass would have been up to our neck. So
Up your neck.
anyway, I hope you learned something from this. Read your manual. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.